Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Inca Tern. Is that how you pronounce it? In Heartopia. So you'll need to be level 11 of the bird watching hobby. And it spawns during day, dusk, and dawn when there is a rainbow or when it is raining. It is gray, so hopefully I find it today. Just gonna cruise around. You can find it in the old sea, by the way, so all around this area, which is a pretty large area. So I don't know, all I can say is good luck because I haven't even found it yet. So I'll let you know, guys. So it wasn't that difficult to find it. I just strolled around the beach area, like the sandy part, I guess, of the old sea. So this is what it looks like. And the chirp is very cute. I don't think I recorded it though, but it did fly away, but I did find another one. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.